Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the section 1, that is aptitude questions that was asked in GSPAN. So we shall discuss few questions that was asked in GSPAN, that is under the aptitude part. So basically the aptitude part, it mainly includes the questions from sitting arrangements, like 8 persons are sitting in a row or they are sitting in a square table. So then there will be questions from sitting arrangements, and many of the questions, that is around 3 to 4 questions from sitting arrangements and 3 to 4 questions from blood relations, and the statements and the conclusion. So there will be statements and there will be conclusion, and you need to based on the options whether conclusion, which conclusion follows the statements, you are going to write it. And next thing is that the passage, so there will be around again 2 to 3 passages, lengthy passages, and based on the questions that are given from the passage, you are going to choose the appropriate answer. So here we shall discuss few of the questions that was asked in GSPAN under the aptitude part. So I have discussed around 1 to 2 questions from each part, and you can get the same questions, and also you will get around 2 to 3 questions from each part. Like blood relations, there will be 3 to 4 questions. Similarly, sitting arrangements, 3 questions or 4 questions, and statements and conclusion as well as passage. So we shall see the first question, and you will also get the questions from. So this section is a combination of verbal aptitude as well as logical. So you will also get the questions of logical part. So logical or reasoning, you can say, you will get the questions from that, like find the missing word for the word. So find the missing word. So there will be, or find the missing number. So first question we shall see, from among the given alternatives you need to select one in which the set of numbers is like the set of numbers, which is like the set of numbers. See here, this is the given set 5, 9, 17. So you need to analyze this, what is the how the numbers are written. So 5, 9, 17, and based on this set you need to find the one which appears like this itself. So these are the 4 options, and the first we shall see. See here you have 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, minus 1 is 9. So this is the second number. Similarly 9 plus 9 is 18, minus 1 is 17. So you will get the third number. So like this you need to find from the option which appears like this itself. So first option you can see 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, minus 1 is 11. So option A is not the correct. So option B, 7, 13, 25. So 7 plus 7 is 14, minus 1 is 13. 13 plus 13 is 26, minus 1 is 25. So you can say option B is the correct answer for this question. So therefore answer for this question is answer, that is option B. So option B is the correct answer for this question. So you will get the questions like this. And next one is, so these are the statements and the conclusion based questions. So statements is that some streets are roads. So here you can say some streets are roads and some roads are lanes. Again, some roads are lanes. You're going to draw the Venn diagram so that it will be easy for you to, based on the conclusion you can easily find whether which conclusion follows. So just draw the Venn diagram. Like first thing is some streets are roads, so draw 2 Venn diagram. So here you can say some streets are roads, and then some roads are lanes, so there is a connection with roads and lanes, and some lanes are highways. So after that, check for the conclusion. So some roads are not streets. Here you can say they have already mentioned some streets are roads. There is a connection with streets and roads. But here they have told some roads are not streets. So this conclusion fails. Next one is no highways are streets. So you can say streets is here and the highways is here. There is no connection with this. So you can say conclusion 2 follows. And they are told like some lanes are not roads. So here also roads are there, lanes. There is a connection with roads and lanes, and they are told some lanes are not roads. This is also false. So you can say only conclusion 2 follows. So if this option is not there in the question, you can go for none of this. So then the next thing is, this is the, so you can say 7 poles, so directions question. So 7 poles, that is PQRST U and V, they are put in such a way that the distance between the next two, it decreases by 2 km. And next thing is that the distance between the first two poles, that is P and Q, is 20 km. Now answer the following questions. So if a monkey hops from pole V to pole R, then how much distance did it cover? So based on directions, they have asked this question. So we shall quickly see. First write the given. So the first thing is that they have given the distance between the two, it decreases by 2 km. So distance between the poles, and they have given the distance between the first two poles, that is P and Q, is 20 km. So distance between poles, write all the distance. P and Q, it is 20 km. And the next thing is that so P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, they are put in such a way that the distance between the next two decreases by 2 km. So the next thing is Q and R, it decreases by 2 km. So therefore 20 minus 2, it is 18 km. So they are told each time the distance decreases by 2. So therefore Q and R, it is 18 km. Next thing is again R and S, it is 18 minus 2, it is 16 km. Then S and 2, again 16 minus 2 is 14 km. T and U, again it decreases by 2 km, because they are told the distance between the two, it decreases by 2 km each time. So first distance between P and Q, it is 20 km. Then from Q to R, R to S, S to T, T to U, and U to V, it decreases by 2 km. So each time it decreases by 2 km. So 14 minus 2, it is 12. Then U and V, it is 12 minus 2 will be 10 km. So the next question we have written the given. So if a monkey hops from pole V to pole R, then how much distance it covers? So they have told the monkey hops from V to pole R. So what is the distance from V to R? So if monkey jumps from pole V to R, it covers a distance of 52 km. So how you need to see? First thing is V to R. So here we have V and this is R. So V to R. So you're going to add everything, 16 plus 14 plus 12 plus 10, which will give you 52 km. So this is simple, like, so if monkey hops from pole V to R, or you can say R to V. So V to R or R to V. So it will be R is here. So from R to V, you need to add all these kilometers, 16 plus 14 plus 12 plus 10 km, which will give you 52 km. So you can say the distance it covers is 52 km. So here is the option. So the first option given is none, whether it is none of these. Then after that the option B is 52 km. Then after that option C is 59 km. And the option D is 56 km. So out of 4 options, you can say option B is the correct answer for this question. So option B, that is 52 km, is the distance it covers. So next thing is, in certain code language, 743 means mangoes are good, 657 means eat good food, and 934 means mangoes are ripe. Which digit means ripe in that language? So you will get the questions like this. So you will get around 2 to 3 questions from this also, like in certain code language. So here you can see, first we shall see how to solve it. So first one is 743 means mangoes are good. So mangoes are good is nothing but 743. Eat good food is nothing but 657. And mangoes are ripe is nothing but 934. So first thing is, first find the repeated word in all 3 sentences. So here you can see good is repeated. So what is the good similarity? So here you can see mangoes are good. Here eat good food. So here eat good food, and next thing is that you can easily find, here also we have good, here also we have good. So here we have 7, here also we have 7, where remaining is 6543. So easily we can find out that the code for good is nothing but 7 from equation 1. So you can see the code is 7 for good. And similarly check for this, mangoes are ripe. Here we have mangoes, here we have mangoes, which is the repeated number 934743. So R, we also have R. So mangoes are good as well as mangoes are ripe. So first easily concentrate and check mangoes are good. So it is 743, and next thing is mangoes are ripe. So you can see mangoes and are coded as 4 and 3, or they can be 3 or 4. So it can be either 4 mangoes or C mangoes are the code for mangoes and R. It can be either 4 or 3, or it can be either 3 or 4. So what is the remaining you can say? So remaining is 9. So remaining here it is ripe. Mangoes are, it can be either 3 or 4, or it can be 4 and 3. So it is the remaining letter, that is you can say remaining number is 9. So you can easily find out that the code for ripe is 9. So next one is, this is the question from blood relations. So questions from blood relations, the question is like, is X the father of Y? You will get this question, same question was asked in GSPAN. Is X the father of Y? Y is not the son of X. They are asking, this is the question. So this is the question is like, is X the father of Y? And there are two statements. Y is not the son of X. And next thing is that Y is the daughter of Z, who is the spouse of X. So here they are telling Y is not the son of X. So X doesn't have any son, that is Y, and Y is the daughter of Z. So Z is having a daughter Y, and who is the spouse of X? Spouse is nothing but she is the wife. So you can say spouse is nothing but the wife of X. So Z, who is the wife of X? So Z is the wife of X. So you can say if Z is the wife of X and Y is the daughter, and Y is not the son of X. They have told Y is not the son of X. Obviously, she should be the daughter. They have told she is the daughter of Z. And next thing is, they are telling like, is X the father of Y? So whether X is the father of Y? Yes, obviously, because see, Z is the wife of X and Y is the daughter of Z, means these both are Z and X are husband. So then you can say Y is the X is, you can easily say X is the father of Y. So then you can say both the statements are sufficient to answer the question. So you can easily find, see here. So Y is not the son of X. They have told, is X the father of Y? So and here in first statement, Y is not the son of X. He can be son, or it can be son or daughter. They have not mentioned whether he is a son or whether she is the daughter of X, like that. They have just asked, is X the father of Y? So just with the statement B. So just with statement B. So here if Y is the daughter of Z and Z is the spouse of X, that is Z is the wife of X, then you can easily. So just with the statement B, you can easily. So you can say like only, so statement B is enough to answer this. So statement B, only statement B is sufficient to answer this question. You can say statement B is sufficient to answer this question. So is sufficient to answer this question. So there will be options like whether both the statements are sufficient, or only statement A or statement B, none of this. So or there will be option like neither of the two statements are sufficient to answer this question. So you can say just with the option B, you can easily. So statement B is sufficient to answer the question. Because they have just asked whether X is the father of Y, like they did not mention whether Y is, like they didn't say like whether Y she is the daughter or the son of X. In such case, both the statements are needed. But here they are told just, is X the father of Y? So you can easily say X is the, like easily you can say X is the father of Y. So next thing is that, so next thing is if A, the next, so this is again the question from blood relations. If A dollar B means B is the father of A. Then after that, A hash B means B is the mother of A, and A percentage B means B is the sister of A, and A at B means B is the husband of A. So which of the following indicates that N is the grandmother of P? So here you can say the first option we shall see. We need to check with all the options. So which of these indicates N is the grandmother of P? So here you should say like N is the grandmother of P. So first thing is P star Q. So what is P star Q? So P star Q is nothing but that is A star B. So A star B. So what is A star B? That is nothing but P star Q means P is the sister of Q. So P is the sister of Q. So P is the sister of Q. So sister of Q. So next one is that Q hash M. So it is Q hash M, that is A hash P is nothing but Q is the mother of A. So then after that they have told Q is the mother of A. So Q is the mother of A. So she is the mother of A. And next one is that after that Q hash M and so M dollar N. So it is M dollar N. So M dollar N means B is the father of A. So B is the father of A is nothing but, so first B is the father of A means N is the father of M. So N is the father of M. So father of M. So N is the father of M. So the next thing is that you need to find whether, so father of M. So N is the father of M. So next thing is they have told whether like N is the grandmother of P. So N is the father of M. So M is having a father N. And next thing is what is the relationship between N and P, whether N is the grandmother. So here you can say N is the father. They have told N is the father. Then here it is a grandmother. So female version. So father cannot be the mother. So option A is eliminated easily. Next thing is that P at Q. So it is P at Q. So at is nothing but, so P at Q. So at is nothing but A, and A at B means B is the husband of A. So B is the husband of A means Q is the husband of P. So Q husband of P. So husband of P. The next thing is that after that Q dollar M. So it is Q dollar M. So again Q dollar M you can see where is the, so first A dollar B means B is the father of A. So B is the father of A. Again here you can say M is the father of Q. So M is the, so B is the father of A means here you can say M is the father of Q. M father of Q. So then after that the next one is M hash N. So it is M hash N. A hash B means B is the mother of A. So which means N is the mother of M. So N mother of M. So then again they have told where, which of these indicates N is the grandmother of P. So N is the grandmother of P. So here N is the mother, and then after that P is the father. So here they have told M is the father of Q. So Q is having a father M, and then after that M is having a mother N. So like after that you can say, so father as well as mother, they cannot be grandmother. So M cannot, so here there is no relation with N and P. So N cannot be the grandmother of P. So because Q is the husband of P. So P is having an husband, that is Q. So here P is nothing but she is, so see P is nothing but she is a lady, and then so Q is the husband. So Q is the husband of P. So which means P is the wife of Q, and then here you can say relationship between P and N. So after that here see, M is the father of Q. So Q is having a father, that is M. So Q is having a father. So Q is having a father, that is M. So here again this is having, so Q having a father, that is M. And then after that also N. So N is the mother of M. So there is no relationship between. So if N is the mother of M, so again M is having a mother N. They didn't mention. So like what is the relationship between P and N? So there is no relation of between P and N. You can say like they cannot be the grandmother because they are not mentioned any relationship between the P and N. So option B is also not correct. And next thing is the P hash Q. So it is P hash Q again. So means P is the mother of A. So then which means Q, she is the mother of A. So Q is the mother of P. and Q dollar and Q dollar, and again it means P is father of A, so means N father of Q, so father of Q. And the next thing is the last one is N star M. So it is star means B is the sister of A. So M sister of N. So sister of N, sister of N. So then what is the relationship between, like they have told whether N is the grandmother of P. So here you can say first thing is that Q, she is the mother of a relation between the P and N unit. So P and N unit. So here if Q is the mother of P, so P is having a mother, that is Q, and N is the father of Q. So Q is having a father. So Q is the, like see, Q is the mother of P, means P is having a mother Q, and then after that Q is having a father, that is N. So here again, so relationship between P and N. So if Q is the mother and N is the father, then they can be husband and wife. So they cannot be the, they have told whether N is the grandmother of P. No, they cannot be the grandmother of P. So options is also eliminated. So if all the three options are not correct, then the last option is none of this. So none of this is the correct answer. So next thing is, this is the series like 1 2 5 9 3 is to 3 5 2 9 1. Then after that 2 9 6 8 4, as well as this is to 4 6 9 8 2 7 2 96. So this is the series, and based on the options you need to find the value for this. So 1 2 5 9 3. So just analyze it, and based on the options that are provided you are going to complete the series. So then next thing is, again it's a question on blood relations. Dollar means A is the sister of B. So then dollar means A is the sister of B. At means A is the father of B, and percentage means A is the son of B. Then ampersand means A is the mother of B, and then XOR it means, or power you can say it's a husband of B, and then P dollar Q percentage S, then after that raised to 2 ampersand R raised to V ampersand W. How is W related to Q? See, you need to solve again. So first thing is P dollar Q. So it is dollar means A is the father of P. So A is the father of P means P is the father of Q. So P father of Q. Father of Q. So next thing is that so Q percentage S means A is the son of B. So Q son of S. So Q son of S. So then similarly the next thing is that S raised to T. S raised to T is A is husband of B. So S husband of, so S is the husband of T. So next thing is that T ampersand R. So T ampersand R is nothing but A is the mother of B. So which means T, she is the mother of R. So mother of R. So next thing is that R raised to V. So again A is husband of B, means R husband of V. Husband of V. So then the last thing is that V ampersand W, which means A is the mother of B, means V, she is the mother of W. So this is all the scenarios. So next they are told how is W related to Q. So W, how is W related to Q? So here first thing is that, so S is the husband of T. So S is the husband of T, and T is the mother of R. V is the wife of R, and V is the mother of W. So then what is the, they have told then the Q is the son of S. So what is the relation? So how is W related to Q? So here is W, and how she is related to Q. So here you can say first thing is that Q is the son of S. Okay, so S is having a son Q, and S is the husband of T. So S is the husband of T, which means T is the wife and S is the husband, and both of them, so S and T have the son, that is Q. Then after that T is the mother of R. So T is also the mother of R. She is having, so T have another child, that is R, and R is the husband of V. So they are married couples and okay. So then T is the mother of R, means T is having a son, that is R, and R is the husband of V. So R is the husband of V is nothing but, so R is having a wife, that is V, and then after that V is the mother of W. So again V is having a child, that is W. So how is W related to S? So how is W related to Q? So Q is the son of S. So Q and S, they both have a child, that is S, as well as they also have one more child, that is R, and then R is a married couple. So then after that R is married with, so they are both are like R is married with V, and he is the husband and V is the wife, and then the wife have a child, that is, so the R and V couples have a child, that is W. So how both are related? So you can say the uncle. So uncle is the correct answer for this question. So next thing is choose the correct negation of the given sentence. So statement is that I will drink juice only if tea is not available. So like similarly same meaning, there will be four options, and based on this statement you need to find the one sentence which gives the same meaning. So like if tea is not available, if tea is not available is to drink juice. So there will be various options like I will drink juice if tea is not available. I may drink juice if tea is available. So it is the wrong of that. So here they have told choose the correct negation. So negation is nothing but you are going to choose the opposite of that. So which means, so they are told to find the negation of that, means I will drink juice only if tea is not available. So I will not drink juice if tea is available. So because you are going to find the negation of the given sentence, means positive sentence and then negative, you are going to make the reverse of that. Here you are telling I will drink juice, so I will, so you are going to write the negation of that. So I will not drink juice. I will not drink juice only if tea is not available. Only if tea is available. So because here it is tea is not available, only if tea is available. So this is the negation of the sentence. So based on the options provided, so you need to find the negation of the sentence. So next thing is what should come next. So this is the question on alphabet series. So you'll get the question from number series and then you'll get the question from alphabet series. So here this is the question. So then D, I, L, Q, T, Y, B, G, as well as question mark. So first thing is you need to count the alphabet. So first we have D, then I. So D, if you add, so D, E, F, G, H, I. So after that you will get I. The next thing is I, J, K, L. So plus 3. Shifting plus 3 alphabets you will get L. Similarly plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. Again B plus 5 is G and G plus 3 is J. So G plus 3 is nothing but J. So J should come here in case of missing alphabets. So again this is the next question. So in a certain code language 3a, 2b, 7c means truth is eternal. 7c, 9a, 8b, 3a means enmity is not eternal, and 9a, 4d, 2b, 8c means truth does not perish. So which of the following means enmity in that language? So first we need to find the word which is same. So which are repeated words you need to find, and what is the code for that you need to identify. So first thing is you can say in the second and third there is truth is eternal, and here we have enmity is not eternal. So which is the repeated 7c, 9a, 8b as well as 3a. So here you can say 9a is same in case of both the statements, and you can easily find out the code for eternal. So the common code is 9a, and therefore you can say the common code, that is 9a, means, so here in certain they have told truth is eternal and enmity is not eternal. So truth is eternal, enmity is not eternal, and truth does not perish. So here it is truth is eternal and truth does not perish. So in both this word not is similar. So not is common in case of second and third word. You can say 9a is the common code for. So we shall write it. Then you can easily find it. So first thing is what is that? Truth is eternal. So first thing is truth is eternal. So truth is eternal, which means 7c, 7c, then followed by 9a, then it is followed by 7c, 9a, 8b as well as 3a, 8b as well as 3a. So then next thing is what it's, so then after that, sorry. So 3a, 2b, 7c means truth is eternal. So this is the code for this, that is 3a, 2b as well as 7c. So second thing is that 7c, 9a, 8b, 3a means enmity is not eternal. So enmity is not eternal. So it is not eternal. Enmity is not eternal. What is the code for that is 7c followed by 9a followed by 8b followed by 3a. So then the last is nothing but truth does not perish. That is 9a. Truth does not perish. So truth does not perish. So it is the code for that which is given. So the code for that given is nothing but it is 9a, 4d, 2b, 8c. So 2b as well as 8c. So 8c. So this is the code for that. So now we shall see what is the common code for this. So first thing is here you can say consider the second and third. They have 4 codes. So enmity is not eternal. Truth does not perish. So here you can say common word is not. So in both this, which is the word, which is the code repeated, 9a as well as 9a code is repeated. So you can say the code for not is nothing but 9a. So next thing is in case of first, that is truth is eternal, enmity is not eternal. So we have 3a, 2b, 7c, 7c. So you can say 7c as well as 3a, these are common in both. So common codes are 7c and 3a, these are common codes. And we have is, truth is eternal, enmity is not eternal. So we have is as well as eternal. So you can say the common code 7c and 3a, and the common words are is as well as nothing but eternal. So you can say they have told what means enmity in that language. So is gone, eternal is gone, not is the code for. What is the not code for? So not is nothing but it's a code for 9a. Then for is as well as eternal, it can be the code like it can be 7c or 3a. So remaining is enmity. So 7c is gone, 3a is gone, 9a is gone, remaining is 8b. So 8b is the code for enmity. So answer is 8b. So option C is the correct answer for this code. So the 12th question is that A is fatter than R, who is thinner than B. So Mohan is thinner than A, but he is fatter than B. 2 other men are fatter than A, who is the thinnest. So read the question carefully. First thing is A is fatter than R, who is thinner than B. So first Mohan is thinner than A. So Mohan is thinner than A and he is fatter than B. And then after that the B, so B is, so what about B? So then A but fatter than B. So B is fatter than R. So you can say R who is thinner than B. So R is thinner, it means B is fatter than R. And you can say there are 2 people fatter than A. So who are the 2 people that are fatter than A? So B is fatter than R and then also A and also fatter than B. Mohan is fatter than B. So they have told who is the thinnest among them. So who is the thinnest is remaining is R itself. So R should be the thinnest. So if B is fatter than R and R who is the thinner than B. So here only they have told R is thinner. So you can say option R, that is R is the thinnest. So the next question is on sitting arrangements. So 5 girls are sitting in a row and Rashi is not adjacent to Sulekha or Abba. So there are 5 girls who are sitting in a row. So there are 5 girls who are sitting in a row. So consider 5 girls. So like first, who are the 5 girls that are sitting in a row? The first one is Rashi is sitting in a row. So then after that we have Suleka. Then after that we have Abba. And then after that there is Anuradha. And the next thing is that we have Monica. So Rashi is not adjacent to Monica. So these are 5 girls. So Rashi, Suleka. Then after that Abba, Anuradha, as well as the last one is the Monica. So okay, Monica. So there are 5 girls. So they are sitting in a row, and Rashi is not adjacent to Sileka. So Rashi, she is not adjacent to Sileka. And next thing is that Sileka or Abba. So Rashi is not adjacent to Sileka or Abba, and Anuradha is not adjacent to Sileka. So Anuradha is not adjacent to Sileka. So then Rashi is adjacent to Monica. So Rashi is adjacent to Monica. And then after that, the next thing is that Monica is at the middle in the row. Then Anuradha is adjacent to whom? So if Anuradha, they have clearly mentioned she is not adjacent to Sileka, and Rashi is not adjacent to Sileka or Abba. So then if Monica should be the middle, then Anuradha should come after the Rashi. So here you can see whom. So Anuradha is adjacent to whom out of the following? So Anuradha is here, she is adjacent to Rashi. So out of 4 options, Rashi, Suleka, Abba, Monica as well as cannot be determined. You can easily find that Anuradha. So that is Rashi. Anuradha is adjacent to Rashi. So Rashi is the correct answer for this question. So the next question is that the 14th question. So the 14th question is that if green is called white, white is called yellow. So green is called white, white is called yellow. Yellow is called red and red is called orange. Which of the following represents the color of the sunflower? See, in this question, the first we shall see what is green. So green they have told. So they have told green is called white. So green is called white, white is called. So green is called white as well as what about white? So white is called yellow. Then after that yellow is called. So after that yellow is called red. And then red is called orange. So then after that red is called orange. So red is called orange. Which of the following represents the color of the sunflower? So what is the color of sunflower? So color of sunflower is obviously it's a yellow. So color of sunflower is yellow. And then after that, so color of sunflower is yellow. What does yellow means? So yellow is, so what does yellow means? Yellow is called red. So yellow is called, so color of sunflower is yellow and yellow is called red. So yellow is called red. So you can say option, that is red is the correct answer for this code. That is the option A is the correct answer for this code. So whenever just find the question. So question is nothing but what's the color of sunflower? So the color of sunflower is yellow, and what is yellow called? Yellow is called red. So then we shall see the last question. That is some teachers are candidates and some candidates are male. So some teachers are candidates and some candidates are male. So here they are told whether all males are candidates. So if some candidates are males, then all males. So if some candidates, see here, some teachers are candidates and some candidates are males. So if some candidates are males and whether all males are candidates and whether all males are teachers. So all males are teachers, it cannot be the correct because there is no link with male and teachers. Some teachers are males. So this is also not correct, and no teachers are male. So option that is 4 is correct. Then after that all males are candidates. So if some candidates are males and all males are candidates, this is not correct because so they have clearly mentioned that some candidates are male, and how can all the males be the candidates? So then only 4, that is no teachers are male, no teachers are male, that is only 4 follows. So only 4 option. So only 4 follows. So this is how you're going to, this is the question for syllogism. So there will be around 3 to 4 questions from syllogism. So these are some questions that was asked in GSPAN, and you will get the similar questions from this, and like I have solved around 1 to 2 questions from each part. So like sitting arrangements, you will get 3 to 4 questions. Blood relations, again you will get 3 questions. Syllogisms, 2 to 3 questions. Then passage. Then after that, find the word, like such questions, and then reasoning part and the statements and the conclusions. So we will get the questions from this. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.